Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what time it is? Woo! It's one of my favorite times because it is time where I get to reveal this stamp set and die set. And let me tell you, we have had so many requests for this kind of style, this item. And let me just also tell you that my design team went wild with their samples. They just did not stop. They have X amount they're supposed to send in. Oh, no. I think they tripled that because they were having too much fun. That's how awesome this stamp set is. And yes, there are quite a few add-ons that you might want to take a look at because they make this set even more versatile, which is crazy because it's very versatile in the beginning. Are you ready? Stop talking, Stephanie. Let's get moving. Here we go. It is called Camper2stamp. And let me just tell you, this camper was so fun to design. I had so much fun designing the little curtains and the little banner that could go on it and the little fire pit so you could have it in front, or a little wreath that goes on the front of the door, a little flamingo, because you know, what's a camper without a pink flamingo, right? And then we have some fun words. Always take the scenic route, live, love, camp. This is how we roll. Adventure awaits. Let's wander. Happy camper. Imagine sending like a graduation card or somebody that's moving that says adventure awaits. I mean, so many options. Now, if you're a Stamp Club member, this is what's being sent to you. Ken gets up extra early on the first of each month to make sure those stamps and die sets get out to you ASAP. He wants them in the mail before the post office even gets there so they can get moving as fast as possible. So Stamp Club members are getting this. Die Hard Club members are getting the same stamp set and the dies that match. Now, on the dies that match, not only are you getting the shadow die, you are also getting the inside die, which is really fun if you want to paper piece it together. We've also given you the little dies for the flamingo, the fire, the wreath, and the little nails to or the stakes to put the camper down, and shadow dies for those items, and the banner, and a shadow die for the banner. Now, we just need to jump in and look at the samples. When I show you the samples though, you're gonna see quite a few sneak peeks for the next video because we are releasing some awesome add-on options. Now, of course, my club members are getting this handy dandy postcard with ideas as well as the add-on options, so you can keep that stored with your stamps and dies so you know, and you can go back and look at it and say, oh yeah, I need that stamp set, or oh yeah, I already have that one, let's go find it. Are you ready? Get set. Let's look at all these. So let's start with this one. Look how cute that is. Oh, I'm a happy camper. Oh, stay tuned, stay tuned. Look at how cute that is in orange colored with that fun little banner. Here's a cute one, ooh, out of the foil paper with our double Z fold card. Look at how fun that is. Isn't that option awesome? I just love how it opens. And it's like that camper's moving, isn't it? Isn't that fun? I absolutely love that. Okay, then we're gonna grab this one. Oh, die cut it out of pattern paper. Another double Z fold card. Look at that. Look at that, those fun trees. Let's wander. Always take the scenic route. So fun. Then we have another one cut out of pattern paper on an A1 card, a campy birthday. Look at that, instead of happy, get it, campy. I love it. Now, here's another one, and I want to show you both because I want you to see how versatile this camper is just by changing the pattern paper. So here we have a Halloween version using our strip stamps and dies. So fun. Look at how cute that is. Totally different, right? Remember, here we had this other one that was totally different as well. Here's another one, totally different, just by changing the patterned paper. Completely different themes, so fun. I absolutely love them. Picking my favorites, I just couldn't pick my favorite. Now, let's look at some more. We have lots, I told you, remember? Here's a cute one, another double Z. If you don't have a double Z card, you need to get one. Either the A1 or the A2. Look how fun that is. I love that. Then let's look at this one. Oh, look how cute this one is. Look at that. I'm a happy camper. Open it up. Look at that. And it's a stand-up. Isn't that fun? I absolutely love that. So cute. Such a fun technique. Here we have a cute one. Let's go. Let's open it up. Camping. Never stop exploring. Isn't that fun? Here we have a cute one. Oh, and this background die. I can't wait to talk to you about this background die. Look at that. Live, love, camp. So fun. Ooh, let's go 4th of July, right? A lot of people go camping on 4th of July. How perfect is this one? Happy 4th of July on the inside. Totally love it. Isn't that fun? Let's look at another one. I told you I had a lot. I told you. I'm a happy camper. Sneak peek right there. Sneak peek. Look at how stunning this one is and how simple it is. Those of you that say you don't like to color, don't worry. Don't worry. Look at this. You're just gonna color the stripes, the curtains, and the door, and the tire. Leave it white. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Or stamp it onto colored cardstock. Now you don't have to color it at all. Isn't that fantastic? Ooh, this background die. I'm so excited to share that with you. Coming soon. Coming. Here we go. Let's talk Slimlines, right? Slimlines. Oh, look at how cute that truck is. I wonder where that came from. Coming up. Here's another one with that truck and that camper all ready to go, getting ready for winter. Here's a cute one, holiday wishes. So fun. Look how cute they are on the Slimline. Oh, holiday wishes or 4th of July, you choose. Look at how versatile this stamp and die set are. So many options on this. You can change it just by changing the theme. Look at this, wishing you, let's open it up, a campy birthday. Now, club members, yours are already on their way to you. If you're not a club member, you're missing out. For as little as $13.99 a month, you could get a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically each month, free shipping in the United States on that, and then you're gonna get that stamp set. But just being in the stamp club is really awesome because then you're getting a 15% discount off of everything else on our website. Let me say that again, 15% off everything else on our website. You need a die cut machine? Great, we got you covered. Do you need adhesive? Great, we got you covered. Acrylic blocks? Yes. Card dies? Yes. Totally Tiffany items? Yes. No exclusions. Online classes? Yes, 15% off. When a club member goes to our website, the computer knows that you're a club member and automatically deducts that 15 or 20% off, depending on which clubs you're in, off of your total. Automatically, boom, you don't have to do anything. When you go to our website, club members, it's like getting a sale every single day that you go to our website, right? It's fantastic. Oh, and did I mention also club members earn club points that they can use on future orders. They also get club anniversary gift certificates when they've been in a full year. And we send out freebies to our club members every couple months. In fact, our Kit Club members are getting a really fun freebie this month. So go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club and just watch the video. Just check out and see how awesome it is. And you know what? Chances are you're going to want to join right away. The best part about it is the second you join, boom, the next order you place, even if it's 10 seconds later, you're going to get your club discount and club points. Isn't that fantastic? And usually we kind of throw in an extra couple hundred club points just for joining. So go check that out, thestampsoflife.com. If I went too fast on any of these samples, because I know I always do, make sure you go to our online gallery. All of these ideas and even more are on our website, thestampsoflife.com, under gallery. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.